Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt. Is a super common issue that stops many players from joining servers. Let's get right into it. First, head over to your start menu, search for CMD, and run command prompt as administrator. Once the window opens, type this command: IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Hit enter, wait for the confirmation, and then close the window. Now, go back to the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Set View by to Large Icons, then click on Network and Sharing Center. From the sidebar, select Change Adapter Settings, find your network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click it, and go to Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter these values. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close out of everything. Now just restart your game. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.